Once upon a time, in a small village nestled near the edge of a dense forest, lived a curious and adventurous boy named Ethan. Ethan was known for his love of exploration and would often spend his days wandering through the woods, discovering hidden treasures and observing the wonders of nature. One bright sunny morning, as Ethan embarked on his usual forest expedition, he noticed something peculiar. Amongst the towering trees and dappled sunlight, he heard a faint giggle. Intrigued, he followed the sound, stepping cautiously over moss-covered stones and through thick underbrush. As he ventured deeper into the forest, the giggles grew louder, leading him to a small clearing. There, amidst a bed of colorful wildflowers, he found a little girl with sparkling green eyes and rosy cheeks. She wore a tattered dress that seemed to blend seamlessly with the vibrant flora surrounding her. The girl looked up, her eyes widening with surprise as she saw Ethan. "Hello," she whispered, her voice as soft as a gentle breeze. "Hi there." "I'm Ethan," he replied, a mixture of excitement and curiosity bubbling within him. "What's your name? How did you end up here in the forest all by yourself?" The little girl smiled sweetly, her laughter echoing through the clearing. "I'm Lily. I live here with the forest creatures as my friends. They protect and guide me. But I have never met a human before." Ethan's eyes widened with astonishment. "You live here? But how? And where are your parents?" Lily's smile faded, a hint of sadness flickering in her eyes. "I don't remember. I have always been here in the forest. The animals are my family now." Ethan's heart went out to Lily, realizing that she must have experienced a mysterious and perhaps tragic past. Determined to help her, he offered his hand and said, "Lily, would you like to come with me? I can introduce you to my family, and we can find a way to help you." Lily hesitated, fear mingling with hope. After a moment, she took Ethan's hand, her trust in him evident. Together, they navigated their way out of the forest, their steps guided by Ethan's familiarity with the trails. As they emerged from the woodland, Ethan's family stood at the village's edge, their faces etched with worry. When they spotted Ethan with Lily, their expressions transformed into a mix of relief and curiosity. Introductions were made, and Ethan's family welcomed Lily with open arms. They marveled at her unique connection to the forest and were determined to uncover the mystery of her past. The village elder, a wise and kind woman named Grandma Amelia, offered her guidance, vowing to help Lily regain her lost memories. Days turned into weeks, and Lily quickly became a beloved member of the village. She found joy in playing with other children, learning from Grandma Amelia, and exploring new wonders beyond the forest. Although her past remained a mystery, her present was filled with love and friendship. As time passed, Lily's bond with Ethan grew stronger, blossoming into a deep friendship built on trust and understanding. Together, they embarked on many adventures, sharing laughter and creating cherished memories. One sunny afternoon, while wandering near the edge of the forest, Lily suddenly stopped in her tracks, a glimmer of recognition in her eyes. She turned to Ethan, her voice trembling with excitement. "I remember, I remember my parents. They used to live on the outskirts of the village." Ethan's heart leaped with joy. With newfound hope, they rushed back to the village, where they sought the help of Grandma Amelia and the villagers. Through their collective efforts, they were able to piece together the fragments of Lily's memories and trace her origins. It turned out that Lily had wandered into the forest as a toddler and became separated from her parents during a picnic. They had searched desperately for her, but eventually moved away, their hearts heavy with grief and the belief that they had lost their precious daughter forever. News of Lily's discovery spread like wildfire throughout the village, and soon, her parents received word of the miraculous reunion. Their joy knew no bounds, and they hurried back to the village to be reunited with their long-lost daughter. When Lily's parents arrived, tears flowed freely as they embraced their beloved daughter, who had grown into a kind-hearted and resilient young girl. The village celebrated their reunion, showering Lily and her family with love and support. Lily's return to her biological family did not mean the end of her bond with Ethan or the forest. In fact, the village and Lily's parents recognized the profound connection she had formed with nature and her forest friends. They worked together to establish a nature conservation initiative, with Lily as its ambassador, to protect and preserve the beauty of the forest that had become her sanctuary. As the years passed, Lily and Ethan remained close friends, embarking on countless adventures together, now with the blessing and involvement of both their families. Lily's remarkable journey from the depths of the forest to the warm embrace of her family and community served as a testament to the power of love, friendship, and the resilience of the human spirit. And she would forever cherish the forest that had sheltered her, ensuring its magic and secrets were passed down for generations to come.